It started with a simple WhatsApp message. I scheduled a video call with customer that weekend.
Hi, we're struggling with space in our apartment. Can you help?
It was a lovely family of 4. They had 2 pain points, a cluttered study room, and a kid's bedroom where space was always tight. I showed them our horizontal wall-mounted queen-size bed, which is sleek, practical, and super easy to fold away after use. Customer said that's exactly what they needed. Next, I moved on to kids' bedroom. It was quite lively but had limited space for playing for 2 kids. I suggested a wall-mounted bed with a marker board on the front panel. When the bed is in closed position, kids can use this marker board when they want to study, plus they get plenty of space to move around. Customer was first not sure how this solution would work and wanted to experience the safety and quality of the bed. So he decided to place the order for guest bedroom first, and if everything is fine, we'll come back for kids' room. Within 2 weeks of first bed installation, customer and his family was very happy and connected with me for their kids' room bed. He also appreciated the entire process, from the first visit to the final installation. Want a makeover of your guest room into something amazing? DM us to book a demo or call us at 1-800-547-0209.